Matiu 15. Human being tradition. Some Pharisee people and law teachers come meet Jesus for Jerusalem, ask him, why your disciples no dey obey our elders' tradition? They no dey wash their hand before they shop. Jesus answered them, why una no dey obey God commandment? Na because una wan keep una tradition. God say, respect your papa and mama. Anybody wey curse him papa or mama, they must kill am. But una say, if anybody tell him papa or mama, wetin I wan give you before, I don give am to God, then he no need to respect him papa again. Because of una tradition, una don make God word yeye. Una wey dey pretend. True, na una Prophet Isaiah talk about when he say, these people, they praise me with their mouth, but their heart, they far from me. And the worship whether they give me, they useless, because then they teach tradition where human being get. Waiting, they make heart dirty. Then Jesus gathered the people, come they teach them. Make una listen so that una go understand. Not be waiting person shop, they make am dirty, but now waiting he talk from his mouth. Then the disciples come meet am say, you know say Pharisee people they vex because of waiting you talk. Jesus answer, any plant where my papa for heaven not plant, they go root am throw away. Make una leave them. Then be blind people where they show blind people road. If person wey blind, they show another blind person road, two of them go fall inside gutter. But Peter tell Jesus, tell us wetin you mean. Jesus answer, after everything where I don't talk, una no still understand. Una no know say anything where person shop enter belle, e go shit and come out. But the things where they come out from person mouth, they come from in heart, and now these things they make person dirty. Now from person heart, bad things they come out, and now these things they make them kill, sleep with who they not marry, thief, lie, and judge person for him back. Now all these things they make person dirty, not be because person shop with him hand where he not wash. Canaan woman faith. Jesus come out there, come go Tyre and Sidon area. For there, one Canaan woman cry, come meet am say, Oga God, David pikin, may you sorry for me. My daughter not well because demon dey trouble am. But Jesus not talk. So his disciples come beg am, drive this woman comot for here because they disturb us. Jesus come tell the woman, na the sheep wey lost among Israel people, na him God send me come find. The woman lay down for in front, come dey beg am say, oh God, may you help me. Jesus tell am, e no good to give dog the bread where children supposed to chop. Then the woman answer, yes, Oga God, but the dog themselves, they chop the small bread where they fall from their Oga table. So Jesus tell am, Madam, your faith is big well. May waiting you dey find reach your hand. That same time, the pikin come well. Jesus heal many people. Jesus comot from there go Galilee water side. Then he climb one mountain go sit down. Many people carry people wey no fit waka, wey blind, wey paralyze, wey dumb, and others wey get different sicknesses come in front, and he heal all of them. The people come surprise well when dem see who no fit talk dey talk, who no fit waka dey waka, who blind before dey see now, and all of them come praise Israel people God. Jesus feed 4,000 people. Jesus call him disciples, come tell them, I dey sorry for these people because they don dey here with me for 3 days and they no get anything to chop. I no want make them go back with hunger so that they no go faint for road. The disciples answer, as these people plenty so, where we go fit get food where go reach them chop for this wilderness? Jesus asked them, how many bread una get? They answer, na 7 bread and some small fish. So Jesus tell the people make them sit down for ground, come take the 7 bread and the fish. After he don thank God, he divide the bread and fish, give him disciple, make them share am for the people. The people chop belle full, and the food wey remain e full 7 baskets. The men wey chop na 4,000, even though dem no count women and children join them. After Jesus don send the people go their house, he come enter boat go Magadan area. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una go help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.